وهو عمل من قبل الفنان الرملي الشهير في الهند السيد راهول آريا.
Keep your eyes on the screens as the live Sand Art Show is about to start. Welcome, everyone. Today, we invite you to experience a story of partnership and progress unfolding through the sands of Saudi Arabia. From the vast desert landscape to its modern skyline, Saudi Arabia's transformation embodies a vision of possibility and resilience. Rooted in heritage and looking to the future, it stands as a beacon of potential on the world stage, inspiring others to join in the journey of innovation. This spirit of growth has fostered a special bond between Saudi Arabia and India, a partnership grounded in shared values and a vision for mutual success. Just as Saudi Arabia embraces a world-class future, Tata Motors is paving the way for new frontiers in smart, reliable mobility across industries. For over 5 decades, Tata Motors has journeyed alongside the Middle East, understanding the needs of its people and building trust. Across construction, logistics, and beyond, we bring a promise of reliability, innovation, and commitment. The Tata Prima trucks are crafted for resilience and versatility. Each model is purpose-built, combining strength with precision to set new standards in smart trucking. Designed with efficiency and profitability in mind, more than machines, Tata Prima trucks are solutions, helping industries move forward with confidence. Introducing the Tata Prima 4440.S AMT, a new standard in trucking excellence. Powered by the efficient Cummins ISLE engine and equipped with the ZF Traxxon 12-speed AMT, this model combines fuel economy with advanced systems for a smooth, precise drive. With pneumatic suspension and the wear-free ZF InTrader brake, it offers stability and comfort even on challenging terrains. At Tata Motors, growth isn't just about expansion. It's about responsible progress. Every Tata Prima truck embodies our commitment to sustainability, merging high performance with environmental responsibility. As Saudi Arabia rises as a leader in innovation and development, Tata Motors is honored to be part of this journey. With features like Fleet Edge telematics, turbocharged engines, and intelligent driving modes, Tata trucks support efficient, responsible logistics that help keep the world moving. Here, in the land of new horizons, we celebrate a shared journey. Tata trucks are proud to join hands with Saudi Arabia driving forward together in partnership and purpose. Let's set forth on this road together, where innovation meets vision. Welcome to the future of smart trucking.
Thank you so much, gentlemen, and all the trucks that has been displayed for all of you.